In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can separate the day, the month, and the year in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so open your Microsoft Excel. I have prepared this example for you. So we have here the date for today. On how we can split this into a separate day, month, and year. It's just very easy. Okay, so click on day and then simply type in here equals day, open parentheses, and then click on the cell that contains the date and then close parentheses and hit enter. Okay, for the month, the same equal sign, month in words, and then open parentheses and then click on the date and then close parentheses and hit enter. Now we have here for the year equal sign, year, open parentheses, click on the date, the cell of the date, and then close parentheses and hit enter. And that's it. Okay, as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.